Hello, I'm Seth Grossman. I'm a retired lawyer from Atlantic City and president of libertyandprosperity.com. I'll be one of several speakers on July 17th at the New Life Assembly Church on Fernwood Avenue in Egg Harbor Township. Almost every American now agrees that our country is in great danger and that we're rapidly going in the wrong direction. The problems we have today began in the 1960s. They began when Americans started to forget that America had been a great, exceptional country for more than 300 years. Of course, America was never perfect, but when we understood and respected our Constitution and founding principles of liberty, America brought more wealth, opportunity, and justice to more people than any other nation in history. We also started to forget that our Constitution and founding principles of liberty came from faith, values, and rules taught in the Bible that guided Jews and Christians for 3,000 years. Those values and rules included love your neighbor as yourself and the Ten Commandments. All of the founders of our country knew this very well. John Adams said, "Our Constitution was made only for a moral and religious people. It is wholly inadequate to the government of any other." Benjamin Franklin said that only a virtuous people are capable of freedom, because as a nation becomes corrupt and vicious, they have more need for masters. Several years ago, Zhao Xiao, a leading economist in communist China, said America was more successful than China because we embraced Christian values. Zhao observed that Christians create new and better things and do what is right and fair to others because they want to, not because the government forces them. Once we understand these Jewish and Christian values, we need to observe another Bible commandment, and that is for every parent to teach these things diligently to our children. Parents today often don't have much time to teach their children. America no longer allows most families to live comfortably on the income of only one parent working. That means grandparents like me need to help out. It also means we need to elect politicians to change some laws and make it easier to educate our kids outside of government and union-run public schools. This can be done. It means helping good candidates win elections with your time and your money. It also means being a candidate yourself if you don't see any good candidates to support. It also means learning how government works and learning skills and tactics needed to win elections. Our government, our media, our public schools, our colleges, and our biggest corporations have all been hijacked by people who hate us. They're doing everything they can to make us weak, divided, and broke. But we can defeat them and take back these important institutions. But it will take years of work, learning new skills, planning, preparation, and discipline. The task is daunting. But as President John F. Kennedy said years ago, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Let's talk about the details on July 17th at the New Life Assembly Church on Fernwood Avenue in Egg Harbor Township. Thank you.